Billie Jean, Billie Jean. Christian Dior, Dior. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Yo, welcome to my channel. My name is Kate Hill. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these Pop Smoke braids. I just woke up this morning and was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do my braids. As you can see, it's 3 braids on this side, and then there's 3 braids on this side, and then there's 2 braids back here. So there is a total of 8 braids, okay you guys? And it was so quick, so easy. It took me maybe an hour to like blow dry my hair, part my sections, and then pre-separate the hair and then braid it. So it took me about an hour to do that. It was very easy, very quick, very simple, cute little style. It's a trend. It was a trend, and I was like, you know what, I could do those because I really can. Duh. As y'all can see, this is like feed-in braids. I'm gonna be showing y'all how. I'm gonna give a simple kind of tutorial on how I got my own feed-in braids. I'm gonna show y'all how I parted it, the type of hair that I use. But anyways, let's get into this video, you guys. Alright y'all, so we already pre-separated the parts, right? Kind of. This is how it's supposed to go. So it's supposed to be 3 braids, like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on both sides, and then 2 braids in the back. Okay, so I already pre-separated my hair. Now I'm about to go ahead and braid these up. So the first braid is supposed to go like towards the front of your head, like straight down to the front of your head. I don't know if I should blow out my baby hairs first or what. So I'm taking the hair and I'm putting it between my 2 fingers right there, and then I'm twisting as if I'm going to braid. And then every time I go down, I'm gonna keep adding hair. I gotta keep grabbing the hair from there, y'all. So. Music. This is how the braid is going to look towards the end. Like it goes all the way down to the tip, and that's just how that one braid looks. And then I'm going to do the other side braid. I think I'm going to just do my front braids first, and then I'm going to move on to the back. And I'm sorry that I'm not going to be looking at y'all as often, but it's because I'm trying to look in the mirror and see where I'm braiding. So once again, I'm taking a small piece from the front, right? And I'm going to start the braid. And I'm going to add hair between this finger and this finger, okay? These 2 fingers, right? So each section of hair is separated between these fingers, right? Then I'm going to take this piece of hair and leave it with this long piece and just keep braiding down. And I'm going to do that to every piece. You see how this braid is coming out? Music. second braids. And I'm doing the same thing that I did with these two in the front, okay? So now there's 4 braids left. Gotta get a little idea of what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna do these 2 braids, and so doing these braids back here, I'm starting to feel like the back ones are gonna be the hardest ones to do. Okay, y'all. So, last 2 braids, last 2 braids. Damn, I'm all out the frame and shit this whole video. So that's my last braid, y'all. I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. And they don't look bad. They look even. I did a good job. Alright. So my braids are done. It looks like it could be a little quicker. But that's fine because I did it myself and it's not like I paid money for it. But so the ends will unravel. So I'm about to show y'all a little trick. And I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm going to press on the tip right before, you know, the braid completely ends. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Right there, before the braid ends. And I'm gonna do that to all of them. So I burnt the tips. My water is gonna be boiling right now. So now I'm going to add my mousse. See that? So I'm gonna go put my scarf on and dip the ends in hot water, and I'll be back to show y'all exactly what the whole entire style looks like. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. I'm gonna finish it off by telling y'all what I did that was extra. So y'all know that I put the mousse on, I wrapped it up, and I kind of slicked my edges just a little bit. Not really, because it's all braided up for real. Yeah, it's really just braided up. I'm gonna try to slick them tomorrow for real, or later on, maybe for some pictures or something, but right now I don't want to mess up the braids. Okay, so I did these braids. I showed y'all the hair that I used like literally, since I have a small head, okay you guys, so I used 1 pack of this hair right here. I only used 1 pack of that, and I pre-separated it. I like using pre-stretched hair because, you know, that other hair is gonna make the bottom of the hair look like just like fully, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not gonna look right. Like, you want your braid to look like it's going into, like, you see what I'm saying, like it's getting smaller. You don't want your braid to just keep going this size and then you're gonna have to cut it or tie it or burn the end. I don't like that. So after I braided it down to the end, I took my flat iron and I burnt it halfway down, like right here, and then I dipped it in hot water, boiling water. As you can see, it's still dripping. I dipped it in some boiling water, and this is how the ends look, and it's a lot more flowy. That's the reason I like to dip my hair in boiling water, because they don't be so stiff. But so yeah, I did that, and I went ahead, tied up my hands and my makeup. Now I'm back. Okay. I also put some oil in it, but y'all should know that if you know you're a natural and you oil your hair with braids. Anyone should be oiling their hair with braids. I definitely love this style. This might be my little go-to, like, to be honest. Let me stop being a bird. This might really be like my go-to, to be honest, because like it was so quick and it was so easy and it's cute to me. Like, I could really do this, and a lot of people can't pull this off. I seen somebody who didn't pull it off too well, but you know, that's none of my business. Yeah, I like it. So comment down below what hairstyles I should try. And I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera. Throughout this whole entire video, I probably really wasn't looking at the camera, but it's okay. This is quarantine and chill type things. I didn't have nothing else to do. I woke up this morning bored. I was like, you know what, let me go do something to my hair. And this is how this looks. And I was like, you know what, let me record. And this is why you're gonna be watching this video. So, yeah, you guys, let me know if I could pull this off. Let me know if y'all like the way I did them and y'all like the way I look with them. But okay, you guys, until next time, bye. When it rains, it pours. She like the way that Baby, welcome to the party. I want the Molly, the Zen, lean. That's how I'm moving retarded. I'm fucking hilarious.